Hey everyone, in today's video I will guide you on how to start an LLC in Texas. After watching this video, you can launch your own limited liability company in Texas using an app called Bit. I will provide you with every up-to-date info that you need to know about Busy and the tools that you need to successfully establish your business. So first of all, what is an LLC or limited liability company? So LLC is a type of business structure that combines elements of both corporations and partnerships. It offers flexibility and protection, making it a popular choice for many entrepreneurs. So this is the homepage. The first things that you have to do is just click over from your free LLC now, and then you just have to choose the entity type, of course LLC, and then you choose your state. Of course I will choose Texas. And then we have here two packages. The first one, it's for free and it's the basic one, and we have just to pay 300 state fee 4 weeks. And about the second one, we have it's standard, so you have just to pay $199 plus $300 state fee, and it's 4 weeks, as you can see. Then we have the last one, it's the best one, or let's say the premium one. We have $299 and plus 300 state fee, and it's for 2 days. About the first one, the characteristics, it's prepare and follow the articles of organization, free first year registered agent service. Then we have online access dashboard, business banking account offer, business tasks, tax consultation. About the second one, we have this characteristics of the first one, plus also business tax number and operating agreement, lifetime compliance alerts, limited phone email support, and the last things we have form 2553. And about the last one, we have the same things about the both of this the firstly packages, but we have also expedited fill business contracts, templates, and we have time and name plus business email. After choose your package, all you have to do is click over get started. Then you write your personal information like company information, the first one. So let's choose, for example, Mike, and designator will choose LLC, as you can see. Then you click over next. So we have here state fill-in time. So here we have the typical state fill-in time for Texas is 4 weeks. In a hurry, Texas offers an expedited fill-in option as well. Select the fill-in time that best meets your needs. So about the first one, it's fast 2 business days fill-in time, so you have just to pay $50. And we have the second one, it's for free and you have to pay you don't have to pay, it's 4 weeks fill-in time. Then you click over next. Then we have contact person. Please provide the name of the person responsible for this order whom we may contact, and additional information is needed. So you write your first name, your last name, then your email, and then your mobile phone. And then you click over next. The next step, we have company address information. So we have here, we command using our virtual address service if maintaining your personal privacy important. The state of Texas information documents collect and make publicly available both the business address of the entity as well as the personal addresses of the owners. So you choose the first one or the second one. The first one I have professional business address and virtual mail service, and the second one I have used my own address. About the first one, you have to pay 29 per month dollars. So we choose the second one, and then you write your personal company address information. So we have street address, city, state. Also, of course, I will choose Texas. and also you write your zip code. uh, City, then I will click over next, then I will click over use Android, and then premium service package. We have here some things like upgrade for only $99 to receive this 4 premium services up to $354 value. The package total is $99, and then you click over get a limited time offer. And in the next page we have please provide members information for my LLC. We have here number of members or owners. I will choose one, of course, because I work individual. And we have your company also, and my personal information here, and then I will click over next. And then we have registered agent information. About this one, you have just to read this information, then you choose between assign busy as my registered agent free for a year. I would like to act as my own registered agent. Then you click over next after choose the one you want. Then we have here tax identification number information. So if I choose yes, I will just click over I agree, then I write my personal information, and here we have an employer identification number. It's a 9-digit number that is assigned by the IRS and used to identify taxpayers who will apply and obtain your and from the IRS electronically. This option is the fastest way to obtain the in. So then you click over next. We have here setting up small business banking. So you have just to read this information, and then if you are interested, you have just to click yes, I am interested. And then the next page we have select your preferred method of delivery. So we choose between this one and this one. We have electronic delivery, it's for free, and the second one we have FedEx Express, and you have to pay $25. I chose the first one. Then we have in the next page tax strategy free consultation. You have just to read this information, and if you are not interested, I am not interested at this time. Yes, I would like to receive the business tax consultation free. Then you click over next, and we have here business license and permits. About this one, we have here we are identified to license for your business in Texas. So you have just to to read this information like team of license specialists will conduct the research for you. We will determine all the licenses and permits you need to stay compliant, receive the application along with a guide to the next steps. So you choose no thanks, I will do the work myself, or yes, please mail the applications, and you have to pay $99. Then you click over next. Then we have order summary here. You have just to edit your personal information like contact info if you did a mistake, and like agent info, you can just click over here and modify your personal information. Then you click over next, and we have here the last step, which is bank information. So we have your credit card, also we have your credit card information. You have just to write your card number, expiry date, then billing address also, and then if you're done, you click over complete and pay. So this is how it works with this LLC in Texas. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.